Cześć, jestem Paulina i to jest moje demonstracyjne wideo. Hi, my name is Paulina and this video is on some Polish sounds which are often confused by my students. We will have rustling sounds and soft sounds. Some of you already probably know that some of the Polish sounds are represented by two letters. These are mainly the rustling sounds. The first couple of sounds we'll take is sh and si. Always watch my mouth because the rustling sounds are square, sh, and the soft sounds are smiling, wide, si. So the first sound is sh. It's represented by two letters, s and z. Sh. Szansa. It's a bit stronger sound than in English. In English, when you have sh, you pronounce this sh, shoes, not sh, szansa. The soft sound is si. For example, śnieg or siano. It can be represented by s with a stripe or si. These two sounds, sh and si, can be prolonged endlessly. So you can say sh or sh. The second pair of sounds can be prolonged like that. These are ch and ci. The rustling sound is ch, czapka. And the soft sound is ci, ciemne, ciemne. As in the first pair of sounds, the first one is represented by si, z, and the second one is represented by c with the stripe or ci. And now we will take the third pair of sounds. We have z, z. You may know the sound a little bit if you speak French. It's something a little bit stronger than je suis. I don't speak French, so I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it correct, but this is what I hear. It sounds similar. And this one can be represented in two ways. It can be RZ, rzeka, Z with a dot, żaba. The soft sound, the couple for this one is zi, zi. For example, źrebie, źrebie or źrebak, pony. So now we have all of them, all 6 sounds, 3 rustling, 3 soft. Let's practice. Szansa, szansa, śnieg, siano, czapka, ciemno, rzeka, żaba, zima. Thank you so much for watching me. See you on the next class.